Let's take a look at some clocks and timers. We'll go into the magic box and tools. Let's bring out the clock. You can move it by dragging it around from the middle. The crisscross arrows will show a random time every time you tap on them. The eyeball will hide or show the numbers on the clock. The clock icon will set the time to the current time, and the X will delete your clock. Now let's grab the timer. You have the option to use the classic beep or no sound at all. Notice at the top, you can use it as a timer or a stopwatch. I can change the minutes up and down, or I can type in the hours, minutes, or seconds, however I see fit. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Perfect. Press play to start the timer. You can change the size with the triangular lines in the bottom right corner. Pause the timer, stop the timer when you're finished. To use the stopwatch, simply switch to the stopwatch and press play. You can also pause or stop the stopwatch as needed.
Our ViewSonic certified trainers are excited to work with you. If you'd like to have someone on site or virtually guide you through a hands-on learning, please reach out to PDTeamUS@viewsonic.com.